Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new here, my name is Miss Parker and I am a travel agent located in Jamaica, and I specialize in all-inclusive hotel packages for Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean. Today we're doing a site visit at Ocean Coral Spring and Ocean Eden Bay. Ocean Coral Spring, Ocean Eden Bay is located in Trelawney. That is 30 minutes away from the Montego Bay Airport. Ocean Coral Spring and Ocean Eden Bay are both all-inclusive hotels, meals, domestic and international drinks, cocktails, and snacks included 24 hours. It has over 500 rooms for Ocean Coral Spring and over 400 rooms for Ocean Eden Bay. As you can see, we were greeted by our manager, Mr. Campbell, who took us around the property for this day. Ocean Coral Spring is family friendly, while Ocean Eden Bay is adults only. On Coral Spring property, there's a fun water park for the kids. They also have mini clubs for kids and teens to keep them entertained. Not sure if it's because of the location, but let me just say, Jamaica is very hot. I live in Jamaica, so I can tell you of the heat, but there is a lot of wind on this side. It was windy, so it was not as hot as it was in Montego Bay. By the way, I was coming from Montego Bay this day because I've just had a visit at Grand Palladium. You will see that tour in my next upload. Here we're passing some swim up suites that allows you to dip into the water right from the privacy of your own balcony. Speaking of balcony, let's get into this room tour. We were only able to get a room tour for Ocean Eden Bay this time because Ocean Coral was at maximum occupancy. So you know how fast these rooms booked out. If you're interested in booking Ocean Coral or Ocean Eden Bay, I am happy to assist you. You know that Ocean Coral Spring and Eden Bay has a lazy river? Yes, the lazy river is what borders the two hotels. So both hotels share the same lazy river. This is the lobby for Ocean Eden Bay. Again, this is very detailed and themed. Lobby is so beautiful. What do you think? Featured restaurant for this video is our Bob Marley themed restaurant. Imagine having dinner while being entertained by Bob Marley. I'm just kidding. But they do have a great Bob Marley impersonator that performs. Next time you visit, make sure to book a reservation here. You might want to book as soon as you get, because this restaurant usually books out really fast. This is one of their buffets, Martha's Market Restaurant. We came for lunch really late, so we only got what was left, but what we tasted really good. that you can do while you're at Ocean Coral is their bowling alley, and newly added their virtual reality. This is definitely fun for the kids and the entire family. It's not included in the all-inclusive packages yet. They're planning on adding it, but for now it is currently $15 per experience. I will be staying at this hotel very soon, so you'll be getting more detail. You can expect a more in-depth review. Until next time, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.